Hi, so let's talk about finding the value of pizza parts. Well, what do I mean by that? So we're going to look at something like this. Let's suppose we have a pizza that's half pepperoni and half mushroom. Different players might value this pizza and parts of this pizza differently. Here's what I mean. So take a look. There's our pizza. It's kind of cut up, got a lot of markings on it. Let's talk about what's going on here. This picture represents how Doris values this pizza. First of all, let's look at this. She likes pepperoni 4 times as much as she likes mushroom. Look at this. The pepperoni side is worth $12 for her, while the mushroom side is worth $3. So we can tell she likes pepperoni more than mushroom from the number values. And the total value of this pizza is $15 if you put that 12 and that 3 together. But now, let's find the values of certain parts of this pizza. Take a look at this red half. This red is half of the pepperoni half. So how much does she value this pepperoni half? I bet you can figure this out without me telling you. Let's see if you got it. Well, we know that the whole pepperoni half is $12, but this red piece is only 1/2 of that $12, and 1/2 of 12 can be found by doing 1/2 times 12. And if you put that in your calculator, or if you do it by hand, or if you do it in your head, that comes out to be $6. I bet you figured that out already. All right, so that's how much Doris values just that little red piece. So how much does she value this mushroom piece in here? Well, this mushroom piece is 1/3 of the mushroom half. Well, the mushroom half is $3, and 1/3 of 3 can be found by doing 1/3 times 3, which equals 3 over 3 if you do it by hand, which is $1. So we know that this blue piece is valued at $1, and for Doris, that little red slice is valued at $6. Let's try some others. Okay, so here's Javier. What do we know about him and the pizza? Now he likes mushroom twice as much as he likes pepperoni. Look at this, $8 for this half, and $4 for that half. The value of the whole pizza for Javier is, let's see, 8 plus 4, $12. Now let's talk about some slices. So what's the value of this red slice for Javier? Well, let's look at what's going on with this red slice. It's half of the pepperoni and together with half of the mushroom part. So let's see, the pepperoni is worth $4 and the mushroom is worth $8. But if we half both of these, because this red slice is only made up of half of the pepperoni and half of the mushroom, so 1/2 of 4 we know is 2, and 1/2 of 8 we know is 4. And when we put these two together, we can see that $6 is what this piece, this red piece, is worth to Javier. Okay, how are we doing? Here's another one. So look at how Clay values this pizza. Every player is valuing this pizza differently. Clay likes pepperoni 4 times as much as he likes mushroom, but the value of this whole pizza to him is $10. He got this pizza at Little Caesars. It's $10. 8 and 2 make the $10. So what's the value of this green piece for Clay based on what we know? Well, it tells us here in the information that this green piece is 3/4 of the mushroom. Well, the mushroom's only worth $2. And 1/4 of the pepperoni, which is worth $8. Put these in your calculator or do them by hand. That 3/4 times 2, or will come out to be 1.5. or 3/2, and 1/4 of 8 is $2. You put that together, and if we find out that this part is worth $3.50. By what part? I mean that green part right here, when we put together the 3/4 mushroom plus the 1/4 pepperoni. Hope you're getting the idea of this, and you'll be able to do it in the quiz that comes up after this section. Okay, let's look at one more wild piece. Hey, this is how Reba feels about this pizza. What do we notice about Reba? $10 is her value for the pepperoni side, $10 for the mushroom side. She values them equally. This whole pizza is worth $20 to Reba. But what's the value of this wacky purple slice? That's a big slice. How would she value that? Well, what is this slice? It's the whole pepperoni side plus 1/4 of the mushroom side. So the whole pep side is worth $10 plus 1/4 times 1/4 of the mushroom side. If we do this calculator, that says mushroom. I know it doesn't look like it. That's the best my pen can do. If we do this calculation, 10 plus 1/4 of 10 is going to be 2.5 or $2.50. So together, she values that whole purple piece at $12.50. And finding these values is building us up to the time when we're going to be able to solve full fair division problems.